How to connect PayPal on Depop. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily connect your PayPal on Depop account. First of all, launch open your Depop application and log into your account. Make sure you are logged into the account you plan to sell from. Once you're inside the homepage of Depop, go ahead and click on the My Depop button at the bottom right corner and click on the gear button at the top right corner from your profile section. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to go all the way towards the top of the screen and look for the PayPal option. Tap on PayPal account at the top of the screen and then click on Connect PayPal on the next page. Now, you'll need to enter your PayPal account's credentials to connect. It'll take you to paypal.com website, and here you'll need to enter your email or phone number associated with your PayPal account. Now click on the next button and enter your password for your PayPal account. Finally, click the login button and you'll then be able to log in to PayPal. After you do that, you'll be able to link PayPal to Depop. You'll need to agree or authorize the connection, and once you do, you'll be redirected back to Depop and you should see PayPal listed as connected. Just make sure that your PayPal account is verified and it is usable. So that way you can easily connect PayPal with Depop. Now you're ready to receive payments when you make a sale. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.